Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is an unboxing and installation of the Worksport SC4 Pro vinyl softcover that folds in 4 folds all the way up against the cab for full access to your truck bed. We're going to be installing this on my 2015 F150 with the short bed, the 5-foot 8-inch bed. I'm also working with Worksport to do a review on their hard folding cover and their solar cover that's coming out here shortly. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along and see those videos. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get right into it.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove these middle link brackets. This is where they will secure once you've installed the cover, but the thing is they need to be off once we place it on. So let's just go ahead and remove these. Okay, so next we'll take this supplied neoprene pad and install it along the bed, along the cab area, so that we can level out the plastic bed rail with it. I'll show you. Okay, so right in here, you can tell that it's not the same height because of this plastic. So we're going to install this from here all the way to the other side so that we get a good seal on the truck bed. All right, so I'm just using some denatured alcohol to wipe this down. And I already did wash the truck just the other day. Took an old tonneau cover off. And there's quite a bit of dirt built up around here, so it's a good idea to clean your truck ahead of time before you do this. And this is just kind of a finishing touch here, getting this cleaned up. Okay, so next up we'll be installing these side rails and 3 clamps. The way they fit is this one, you can see the knob here, that's where the hold up arm will go. I believe, yep, this side will be driver's side then. So we'll go ahead and install that one over there. Okay, so you want these rails to be flush with the top rail here and all the way against the back of the bed when installing these. So it helps to go ahead and loosen these clamps up, and then you'll strategically place them here, here, and here. That way they're spreading the load out. So I'll loosen these up some, and it looks like you want to make sure that this piece fits in here so that it kind of pivots on that and doesn't fall off. The smaller side obviously to the back. All right, so let's put the cover up here. It says to lay it flat first. Okay, so it seems like it's square and even on the way it's sitting on here. Let me move it over just a little bit. So now we're going to flip it up like this against the cab and use our clips here. Go ahead and clip them in. Hold it up. I can feel this bulb seal and see how it sits along this whole edge, which is good. Make sure we get a good seal. All right, so now we're going to install these link brackets that we took off earlier. Cut out right here in the track, and you will slip it in like that. And slide it over, match it up here. I'm going to go ahead and slide this other one on too. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and bolt these down with the provided hardware. There's a washer and a lock nut for the underside here with the Allen key that it was provided on the top. Okay, so the next part is securing this rear bed clamp. And it's going to come together something like this. This is nice, it actually has a top lip so you can tell exactly where it needs to be. But you want to loosen this up so you can get it around the clamp. And I'm just going to kind of slowly snug it up. I think this might be at my back edge here. I'm going to go ahead and close the tailgate just to ensure that that's where it actually is. I'm just going to hand tighten this for now. And there is a 3M double stick tape on the back of these. Once you get it exactly where you want it, you could take it off and then tape it down to give it an even more secure seal along there. So with the bulb seal, it's about right there. That's where it should be. And I'm going to go ahead and get the other side test fitted up before I adjust the height of this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. Okay, so now we're going to take our Allen key and adjust this up so that it's flush with the top edge. This is for the latch plate to catch. All right, so we'll adjust the other side now. We have this tightened down. We've got our level set here. We're going to loosen this up. And this needs to slide all the way up till it hits the edge of the truck bed, like right there. This helps keep it in place. And we'll tighten this down. And do this to the other side. Now it's time to flip the cover down and test it out, make sure everything latches well. We may need to adjust the latches to make sure they strike in the right spot. And to remove these cam buckles, you just push up on this red tab until it separates itself. So right off the bat, these latches are too wide. So I'm gonna have to adjust these in. And there is some Phillips head screws here. Just loosen them up. You can slide the latch back just enough. So we want it about right there. All right, really looks good. I love having this full bed access. I've really been missing that with my previous cover. I didn't have access to the full bed, and I really do miss having that. Glad to have it back. And I like how light this vinyl cover is for flipping up.
Close the cover and verify with the flashlight that all the latches are catching and holding properly. Also verify that the bulb seal is sealed at the tailgate. I ended up having to move the cover back a 1/4 inch or so and the latch rails up to ensure a secure fit. More adjustments may need to be made after driving around town the first few times.
Thank you for watching this unboxing and installation video of the Worksport SC4 Pro. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be installing more Worksport covers, including their hard folding cover and their solar panel cover when it comes out. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along. I'll be posting a review video of this Worksport SC4 Pro after we've tested it out, and I'll let you know how it does within the elements with rain and also dirt and debris when you're off-road. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.